Let me show you how to record slow motion videos on any DJI Osmo action camera. So if you want to record in slow motion, you simply click this option on this corner and then you select this slow motion option. Once you go here, if you click here on the bottom, as you can also change the resolution for slow motion. In the 4K we can record up to 120 frames per second. But if you want the slowest speeds, in the Full HD we can record up to 240 frames per second. In the 2.7K is the same. So yeah, this probably is the fastest you can record, so at 240 frames per second. And yeah, if you want to start to record, so simply, stop it and let's see. So see how insanely slow I move, even though I was rapidly shaking it. Yeah, and the slow motion mode actually is very impressive on these cameras indeed. Okay, good luck.